So a is always the number next to x squared. B is always the number next to x to the first power, so -5 in this case. And c is -7, the number hanging out by itself. So if we plug all that in, it's -5 in the quadratic formula. So I'm going to put +5. And plus minus, that's the square root of -5 squared. So I'm going to just write 25 because -5 times itself makes +25. And then this is minus 4 times a, which is 9, times c, which is -7. So it's all over 2a. Some students make the mistake of just drawing the square root and then dividing 2a, but the whole thing is under 2a. Okay, and then we want to simplify inside the square root first. So looking at the square root, I want to do the order of operations. I want to do multiplication first. So I want to do 4 times 9 times -7 all at once. And actually, I'll just take the negative sign with me so I don't write a double negative. That's -4 times 9, -36. -4 times 9 is -36. -36 times -7 is now a +252. So I'm going to write plus 252 here. Sorry, I'm on my mouse pad right now. That's over 18. And then we want to add the two numbers inside the square root. That's the next step. It's called quick math. This isn't very quick math, is it? 52 plus 25. And I don't think that's a square root. It isn't. 277. It's not one of the perfect. It's not one of the square roots that gives us an integer, is what I mean. And so this is where we could end. We could say it's 5 plus square root of 277 over 18, 5 minus. But in math, and I think with my math lab, we want to try to simplify that square root. That means you want to divide it by things that you can take the square root of perfectly. Like the square root of 9 is 3. So let's see if we can factor a 9 out. We can't. 4, the square root of 4 is 2, so that'd be nice if we could take that out, but we can't. 16, you can't divide 277 by 16. 25 won't work either, obviously. But the next 36, 49. 7 times 7 makes 49, but that doesn't work. 64 won't work. 81 can't take out. I don't think there's any of those square root. 100 can't take out, obviously. 121 you can't take out. What about 13? No. 15, no. 17, no. I think that's it. So the way you'd write this answer in my math lab is 5 plus square root of 277. And make sure when you hit your fraction button, hit the fraction button first, put 5 plus 277 in the top, put 18 in the bottom, and then I won't make you just sit here and watch me painfully write out, but you want to put a comma, and 5 minus square root of 277 over 18 is your other answer. And if it wants at least to greatest, you should do this one, the second one that I haven't drawn first, because that's smaller.